We have a 2017 Audi Q7, and the customer stays as low power, and they're getting a weird vibration from the exhaust. It looks like the downpipes are clogged up.
Downpipes are clogged. What are we doing?
We're taking the 312s off here.
Gloves on the driver's side header coming down. What size?
13.
Do you call that a union? What is that?
Exhaust clamp.
Exhaust clamp? You said 13?
13.
4 of those.
Get those loosened up.
Four triple square 10s for these brackets up here. 2 more triple square 10s. Alrighty, there's the headers. Passenger, driver's side. New clamps.
Nice and quiet.
Oh. What do you put in the gasket?
Brush gasket in there.
And installing the 313s.
Put them on loose for now.
Installing the 312s. Installing the bracket. Installing the 2 triple square 10s. Triple square 10. Now we're going to move over to the driver's side. Installing the 312s loosely. Tightening the 312s on the header. Three more 12s. Tightening 2 more triple square 10s. Tightening